Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy weekend to you all. I greet you. I thank you for your support and your love. Why? Because yesterday I said something in one of our videos, two upload that we did yesterday. That's something I said in these two different videos, and I've noticed that some of us that watch video to the end. I just said that just to test, to actually understand how people watch my video. Some people watch video and skip, and they just skip it and they don't watch it to the end. Maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes, just comment and you get away. You're not helping the platform. You're not encouraging us. If you're one of those that don't watch video from the beginning to the end, it is not good at all. And I will tell you what that means, because what you are doing, what you are telling the owner of the platform is that this video that you thought that is good, but while watching it, you notice that the video is rubbish. You check out. The owner of the platform always know how long you watch a video, and that is not helpful. That is not encouraging at all, because at the end of the day, we will be the one to bear the consequences. So please watch the video to the end. And how do I know people that watch to the end? Those of you that watched the video to the end yesterday, you already know what I said in that video, and I've seen some of us, surprisingly, people that I was not expecting are actually the one watching the video to the end. Those of us that I felt like they will watch it to the end, they don't watch it to the end. And I want to use the opportunity to appreciate all of you that watch the video to the end. God bless you, and you are wonderful. You are wonderful. I really appreciate you for that, because that is the way to go. People that many of you know what it takes, and I don't want to go for them, because this particular video has to do with one of the devilish woman from Fallback Republic. This video is not actually meant to attack anybody, but I find it funny that some people who don't want their name to be mentioned, but they are the one that drive joy in mentioning names of other people. You just joined Briggy of Ogenkere a couple of months ago. You just started talking about Briggy and Biafra movement at all. A couple of months ago. All of a sudden, you are the one to con people who have been here with PM during those tough times, when you are antagonizing them and calling them names, blackmailing and insulting even PM. I'm surprised that people are pretending not to notice this. Some of you that do notice it, you choose not to talk. But me, I will talk, not because I want to fight, but it's because I want to remind us that good things deserve another. So we have to appreciate people who understand what it takes to get to where we are, or what we are doing and all that. They normally say that one good turn deserves another. So if you can give us this kind of energy that you know it or better than people who have been there, believe you me, you are not telling yourself the truth. You are not telling yourself the truth, and it's not good at all. It is not good at all. So please don't forget to like the video and share it on many platforms of your choice. We are here again today, being 26 July 2026. We are here to give you updates this Sunday. It should be Sunday morning, to some of you Sunday afternoon, some of you maybe Sunday evening. Just as I said my greetings, because I'm calculating it based on Biafran time, so it is actually Sunday morning. Happy Sunday to you once again. So there's a post made by Eunice PB. Many of you know her. Some say, "Carry report, you are promoting this woman." No. Promoting somebody is in two ways. Promoting somebody by exposing the person, or promoting somebody by telling you how good the person is. They are not the same. And what I'm doing here, my intention is not to rubbish her name or her personality, but to call our people's attention to understand what she's doing, to expose her criminality, her evilness, her wickedness, and demonic agenda. Whether somebody is paying her off, I don't know. Whether she's in payroll of Ogenkere, I don't know. But whichever way is best known to her. But let's quickly go to the post that she made that brought us here. This post, she made it 14 hours ago, as you can see on your screen. Eunice PB is a woman that I will highlight to you what she normally do, her stand as far back as 2023. Okay? Because then she was calling PM names on social media, pretend to be an a dedicated and loyal follower of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Today, the woman is not insulting anybody that talk about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu freedom. Somehow she will pretend that she actually cares for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. How can you care for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, but you are championing and promoting a man who never take Mazi Nnamdi Kanu serious? Because not Mazi Akwa, Sonapa Akpadawa. They see PM and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu as an obstacle, and Eunice PB is busy clapping for them. A woman who insulted, PM Samonepa is here bragging and promoting Ogenkere for changing and pushing PM away from the structure that PM himself formed. She said here, in this Biafra liberation, we have seen different levels of lunacy and other forms of mental anomaly. He said again, out of them all, Ngozi Oraveze seemed to top the list of lunatics. You, Ngozi, out of your selfish and devilish interests, with the power that no one gave you, dissolved in your mind, Briggy, and its cabinet in 2024. When that Briggy was dissolved in 2024, this woman was nowhere to be found. I'm just saying, just follow me so you understand what we're talking about here. She said again, now, look at it. Let me take this one anyway. He said, okay, where is it? Yeah. She said that you dissolve it in your mind. You dissolve in your mind, the Briggy and its cabinet in 2024, November. Again, she said, subsequently, you kept telling your stupid followers, underline the word stupid, because those of you that will come here, oh, Kai Report, you are fighting for her. Don't she have her mouth? You are defending her because they pay you. Listen, if they pay me to stream live or to come live to react on issues and tell people the truth, then so be it. Let what you are saying, let it be done the way you want it. But if not, whatever I say unto you, privately, openly, will happen to you. Nobody is paying me. I'm not in anybody's payroll. Like somebody is paying me salary. People may say, okay, Kai Report, I give you super chat. Kai Report, send me your account, I help you. That kind of thing. If that is what you call salary, then that means you need to go back to school. And nobody from cabinet have given me, okay, Kai Report, I'll be paying you some amount every month. Nobody. I'm not even hoping, because I know government are actually looking for money too. But some of you that are coming here to talk, oh, Kai Report, I hate injustice and I hate lies, especially lies that will end up making good people to start to become bad in the eyes of public. That is the kind of thing that I don't like. Here, let me tell, before I go for it, let me remind you something. When Remedios asked for help in the past, this kind of people like Eunice kept quiet. They did not talk or say bad thing about Remedios. Then when Remedios begin to criticize them, for example, the voice note of Remedios where he was asked for help, when he was asking Biafrans for help, they begin to use that to mock him. That kind of thing, I don't like it. And I made a post in my Twitter handle then, criticized them for insulting Remedios, even though that was when Remedios was insulting USB government and the DPM. I didn't shy away from talking in favor of Remedios because Remedios was attacking USB. But I understand that it doesn't matter. Remedios can decide to do whatever. That is a different topic. He's insulting USB government and insulting DPM then. I mean Remedios. did not stop me from criticizing those that were criticizing him for asking for help. That's the kind of person that I am. So when I see something that is not good, irrespective of where you are, I will say that this is not good. That is me. So if you see me saying what I'm saying, because I've seen that some of you see that as, oh, you are nan, you are madam, oh, you are not. You can say whatever you want to say, is entirely your business. But the truth of the matter is that this woman is insulting everyone. Only those that are with Ogekere, they are the good people. Look at what she said here. You kept telling your stupid followers that the Briggy was dead and buried because you single-handedly declared your USB charger, okay? Your USB charger, and there is no other but USB. Listen, this idiotic, senseless woman refused to understand that the Briggy that Ogekere hijacked, and not even hijacked, that he's faking. Because if I tell you that he hijacked Briggy, he didn't hijack Briggy, he's just faking it. He's trying to fake Briggy to make it real. The only thing that makes Ogekere, or that makes people to think that Ogekere hijacked it because of the Maryland office and some furniture that Biafra funded, that this guy is colonized and he's there ranting and talking rubbish. Somebody who cannot even make a speech. That is why he's, you know, I know why I keep on asking them to present the video clip of Ogekere addressing congressmen that he have been visiting for more than how many years now. Because then you see the best of Ogekere in his stupidity. They are packaging a man that they know that has nothing. They are making him look good. Because if he can present a short clip of him addressing Biafran or congressmen as he want to claim that he has been doing, then you will not see the level of the man himself. The mistake he made some time ago by presenting himself to Gota to grant interview or host program together, that one is still fresh in our memory. Because of this thing that this woman is saying now, I'm going to bring back that video again, and we'll be playing that video in the beginning of our program to remind our people the man we are talking about. Yet, it is not, my intention is not to insult Ogekere, but since he wants to make himself relevant, we are going to help him on that. Eunice is here calling USB charger, claiming that they have now relegated PM Samareba to backseat and promote Ogekere, a man that don't even know the foundation of Briggy. If you ask me, you tell that when Briggy was being discussed, when they are discussing how to make Briggy, that he was there. You were there doing what for crying out loud? Were you the one championing it? Are you the brainchild of Briggy? Are you the brainchild? By this time, 2020, okay, let me say 2021, the year Mazakana was kidnapped. In Mazakana's absence, with that PM, does Ogekere know what government necessary means? Even today, you don't even understand what it means. He can't even differentiate a government necessary that declared and a government necessary that have not declared. This man don't even know the difference between those things. Eunice is here calling people names. She lives in Canada. Eunice, judging by what your achievement in Canada, can you equate that with that of DPM in US? You are calling her mad woman. Is it not? You should be ashamed of yourself that a mad woman have achieved something in life better than you that is normal. Imagine that you say someone is a mad person, a mad man, a mad woman. But you that is normal, you have nothing to prove that you are normal, nothing to back up this your normality. You that is sound in mind, you have shown nothing, absolutely nothing to compare that of the one you said that is having some legal condition. Now the USB charger. Listen, USB charger. Only these idiotic groups are the people, they are the only one in the whole universe that are sourcing for recognition without declaration. I mean, please, is it possible? you are looking for someone to recognize you without you recognizing yourself. Because when you have not declared yourself, people are confused of what you know, what you think, what you say you are. Have you seen anybody that you have not seen, you have not met before in your life, and all of a sudden you call the person's name? Imagine them that you that is in Canada. I know that you are not sensible enough, but let me use you as an example, because even as useless as you are, you still have other cockroaches perching on you. The question I have for you: if you leave from Canada now to some, let's say, to Gambia, and you arrive in Gambia, do you think that people will see you and say, "Hey, Eunice," or you see people walking in the streets of Gambia and you call them by their names? No. Introduction must take place before you can now start conversation, for you to even know who you are talking to or who you are addressing. So you are going to meet people to recognize you without you introducing yourself and what is your intention, because you know nothing about freedom. But you have seen the chair, the furniture in the Maryland office. And you guys see, oh, this is a very beautiful house, and this furniture, we can hijack it and we'll be eating. Sometimes when you see their video, you see them, they just buy, all these beverages and enjoying eating in the table that meant for, for conference or maybe for negotiation, for top class meeting. They are there. Nah, call you none of her. Some people say that Ogen is even sleeping in the building. That each time he have issue with his wife, the wife will take him 20 meters away. He will run and come back to the office to sleep. And when you look at that office, when you look at it now, you can literally see some, on dirty plates, things that are not supposed to be there, as if somebody one shredded rat, one on copy is sleeping there, and we are here talking about the USB charger. He said there is no other but USB. Today, same you is claiming to be the head of Brigade because you are senseless. I don't blame this woman, because when the whole thing started, you don't understand the agenda, the motive. It started from autopilot. Why don't you fall back to autopilot? Because autopilot did not give you office and the furniture you can enjoy and pet on. This will tell you that you guys are criminal. If you actually have something to offer, present your template. Let's see. Everything you have today is from the brain of PM. He is the brainchild. The useless woman further day by saying, if I may ask, which of Briggy are you his leader? Is he the same one with the beautiful head office in Maryland, Oyoshi? So now you know that the Maryland office is beautiful, right? But as of 2023, 2024, you were insulting PM and calling names. She said again, because I know you have no access to the office, and for you to know this useless woman. So the office is where, that is to you, that is where Briggy is being tied. Briggy is about Biafrans, not about structure like building. But what do you expect anyway? Probably she may be somebody's wife. Very, very useless woman being. She said again here, is it the same office our Briggy North and South brethren with our PMO Gechukwu Nkere? Okay, so if your PM is Ogechukwu, who is Ahazai Ayom? Have you watched the video when he was sworn in? What did he call himself? He said, held their town hall meeting to the last time. Ngozo Rabofulani, look at useless woman. It is high time you stopped your deceit. Stop before Chineke akpọ gị ọkụ. Why kpụrụ mmiri? Pataka. Very, very useless woman. Because if you actually know anything, you will not even try what you are doing. If you are to be in America, you don't qualify to be a receptionist to DPM. You are not qualified. But you are calling her names. It's up to you. You have right to call whatever you want to call. But my concern is that stop lying to people, making people believe that you are what you are not. Because people don't even know that this idiotic woman has nothing to do. I mean, nothing to do with Biafra. But this is the reason why I don't blame anybody that says Ogekere is being hired. Because how did he manage to fail relax to work under Ogekere? If actually she's not, how did she manage to fail relax working under Ogekere? If actually she's not better than the same father with Ogekere? People that have been planted, being stooge, that have been made to join the movement to constitute nuisance. How can you be that? Is that not what is playing out, my people? Exactly what I'm saying. Now I want to share with you for the last time before we round up this video. But before this time, I want to tell you something, like I did yesterday. But that's gonna be after this. Okay. I want to know how many of you that watch the video to the end again. Very, very important, because like I said, I appreciate all of you that watch the video to the end by putting that which we said in the comments. That's a very nice thing, and that will help me to mark those of us that watch the video to the end. So I'm gonna get to that part. Please don't go anywhere. And if you have not liked the video, please do like it and share it on any platform of your choice. Some of you watch without subscribing. You can subscribe and turn your bell notification on, so that each time we come live or upload here, you will be among those that got notification on time. So like I was saying, sometime in the past, the woman called Eunice PB was challenging PM publicly. As you can see on your screen now, this post, I promise you that this screenshot will be with me. I have saved it. PM Simon Ekpa, Biafran Prime Minister, State of Nation address. 1st November 2023. 1st November 2023. This for latecomers, in case if you don't know who Eunice is. Look at her here. PM will just made an announcement that he's going to address Biafran's State of Nation is coming up on November 1st, 2023. And this woman jumped on the comment section of that post that PM made and typed this nonsense. She said, the same month, the same year, the same day, 1st November 2023. She replying to Simon Ekpa. This woman replied to Simon Ekpa saying, two captains cannot be in the same boat. Two captains cannot be in the same boat. At this point, Azar Ayogo is the finance minister. Azar Ayogo have started having handshake in DC, right? At this point in time, this woman CPM as an evil man. At that point in time, this woman was one of those clapping for Master Prophet to even do anything to PM. That PM is an enemy. It didn't stop there. She challenged PM. That two captains cannot be in the same boat. Who is the two captains here? That Mazin Amonikan is the one captain, in the boat. He's the captain of the boat. That someone, Biafran Prime Minister, cannot be in the same boat with the captain who happened to be Mazin Amonikan, according to her. At that point in time, Mazin Amonikan is already in prison in Nigeria. Now, the same woman is not telling that, someone should hands off for you to see the level of hypocrisy of this evil, deadly, devilish woman. She was making this post to encourage people not to listen to PM Simon Ekpa. That Master Mekano is still the captain. But now, Master Simon Ekpa is not in prison. Master Mekano is still in prison. The same woman is not telling that Obinkere is not the prime minister. I see the contradictory part of it. The woman is here. She's an agent. Anybody doing good things, she will rise against you and say unprintable things against you, simply because she wants to promote anywhere benefits group. That's where she will be. Disguising to love Biafra. Oh, see my Biafran flag here. Oh, a criminal is a criminal. I'm going to end it here to know what you think about this. Then I want those of you that will watch the video to this point, at this point, if you have watched it from beginning to this point, please put in the comment section, Eunice PB, repent from your evil way. Let me know how many of you that can type this. Eunice PB, Eunice PB, hashtag Eunice PB. Repent from your evil way, or stop your evil, or Eunice PB, you are an evil woman. This kind of thing, that something that has to do with hashtag Eunice PB. Let's see the rain on the comment section. I want to know how many of you that will type it, because those of you that watch 5 minutes and skip, you will not hear this. And that's a trap that I'm using now to know who watches to the end. God bless you and take care of yourself, my people. See you again, and don't forget to like the video. Very, very, very important if you can. Happy Sunday to you all. Day one.